Streaming sports has never been more convenient, especially for gamers who own a PS5. ESPN, known for its extensive sports coverage, can easily be accessed through the console. Whether you're a diehard fan of basketball, football, or international soccer, learning how to watch ESPN on your PS5 is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide that I created to help you get started and enjoy uninterrupted sports action from the comfort of your own gaming setup. Step 1. Download the ESPN app. The first step is to download the ESPN app from the PlayStation Store. Power on your PS5 and navigate to the main menu. Open the PlayStation Store from the menu options and use the search bar to type in ESPN. Locate the official ESPN app and select it. Click download. Once downloaded, the app will appear in your media section. Downloading the app is quick and ensures that you have direct access to ESPN's library of live games, highlights, and exclusive content. Step 2. Log in or create an ESPN account. To use the app, you'll need to sign in with an existing ESPN account or create a new one. Open the ESPN app on your PS5 and select Login if you already have an account, or choose Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your credentials such as your email address, password, and follow any prompts to verify your account. If you're signing up for the first time, you may need to choose a subscription plan to access premium content. Having an account ready ensures that you can personalize your experience, from setting up alerts to accessing exclusive programming. Step 3. Subscribe to ESPN Plus or a partnered streaming service. While the ESPN app is free to download, accessing live games and premium content often requires a subscription. Choose an ESPN Plus subscription directly with the app for access to exclusive live events, documentaries, and more. Alternatively, link the ESPN app to your cable provider or streaming service that includes ESPN, such as Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV, or YouTube TV. Log in with your credentials from the chosen service to unlock live streaming options. This step ensures you have access to the best sports coverage tailored to your viewing preferences. Step 4. Optimize your streaming quality. To make the most of your ESPN viewing experience on your PS5, optimize the settings. Ensure your internet connection is stable. A minimum speed of 5 megabytes per second is recommended for HD streaming. Navigate to the settings menu in the ESPN app and select your preferred video quality. Close any unnecessary background apps on your PS5 to maximize performance, and use an Ethernet connection for the most reliable streaming experience. With these optimizations, you'll enjoy crisp, high-quality sports without interruptions. Step 5. Explore the ESPN app features. The ESPN app offers more than just live games. Browse through highlights and recaps of your favorite teams and players. Access expert analysis, exclusive documentaries, and interviews. Set notifications for game start times, updates, and breaking news. Create a personalized watch list to keep a track of the must-see games and events. Exploring these features enhances your overall experience, making the ESPN app a hub for all your sports needs.